Here we go with the bird and the snake outside our house. And we can't pass because we want the bird to eat the copperhead. And it's guarding the copperhead. And we're afraid to pass because we want to make sure the bird gets the copperhead. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did you see that, Hallie?
Yes.
Look, the snake looks like it's about to bite the bird. It's like coiled.
Oh wow.
Please. Oh my gosh. Please eat the copperhead, bird. Hurry, we have to go to Harrison's Triathlon.
Sat on my bagel.
I did?
No, I did.
Look at it, look at it. Please eat the copperhead.